How to write research article. Step-by-step guide for beginners from abstract to references. Abstract should be short but give the overall idea. What was done, what was found, and what are the main conclusions. When selecting keywords, imagine you are searching for your article in some database. Number 1 is introduction. Move 1 is introduce the topic and emphasize why is it important. Move 2 is relate to current knowledge. In Move 2 in introduction, what's been done and what needs to be done mean you will bring the gap in second last paragraph of introduction. In Move 3, introduce your work, give the purpose and main objectives. Number 2 is methodology. Describe the experimental setup, mean object of your study. After that, also explain used techniques, mean to establish an author's voice. Research article is like a cookbook, be specific and provide all necessary detail. Number 3 is results. Give summary results, which means research article structure and styles. In Figure 2, the flow diagram. Research article sections, shaded, and subsections, and their main relations. Number 4 is conclusions and discussions. Answer research questions, give summary conclusions. Unexpected findings, which means that some findings are in line with past work done by researchers and some are not. So, you will justify it and search evidences and reasons for it. You have to establish newness, explain discrepancies. That is, a good article is one that read and cited. In last paragraph of conclusions and discussion, you have to write on further research and implications. Acknowledgements. You have to write acknowledgements after conclusion and discussion part. Number 5 is references, which are in Harvard style of referencing. So, you have to cite references as per your journal requirements such as MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, etc. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.